What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video, and I'm back at it again with another expert advisor. You guys already know I've been coming crazy with the expert advisors. I'm making them like every other day, and today I got a beast one for you guys. For all my people out there having trouble capitalizing on all the trend moves in the market, I got an elite trend trading EA for you guys that's going to secure profits for you left and right, and also can secure partial profits at any TP that you want. I already tested out this EA and it's hitting on all currencies. All I gotta do is show you guys how to use it and you guys can get started. So without further ado, let's get to the bag. Okay guys, so the trend trading EA. As you guys know, I have the Skittle strategy already that catches trend reversals, but I know for a fact there are a whole bunch of traders out there that just dream of catching this whole move right here and just taking full advantage of it, right? And I'm one of those traders that want to take advantage of every trend that there is. I want to take advantage of it, and I have a bot that is going to do exactly that. Even this right here, we can be abusing this whole trend. Okay guys, so what this bot is going to do is going to find the overall trend of every pair. So the way I coded it is it's literally only going to take a buy or sell if the overall market is buying or selling based on a moving average. Okay, so it's based on the 50 moving average, guys. So as you guys can see here, for the most part, when price is above this blue 50 moving average, it's a uptrend. When it is below this 50 moving average, it is a downtrend. Okay guys, so I coded this EA to only take buys once price is above this 50 moving average. And the second condition is that the TDI has to be above 75. Okay guys, so that basically means that it's trending to the upside. I know a lot of people think of it as overbought and oversold here, but basically I'm thinking of it as momentum. Okay, so the momentum is high and we're above the 50 moving average. Okay, so vice versa, if we're selling, the momentum is high for the sell and we're below the 50 moving average. The second condition for the sell is that it has to be below the 30 on the TDI, the 30 level. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and see what happens. Okay guys, so obviously you wouldn't have to have this bot on where the market is doing nothing but consolidating. So this whole area right here, I would go on my charts and I would see that price is just consolidating. Okay, so once we get a breakout like right here, once we see we have a breakout, boom, turn that baby on, and we are below the 50 moving average, and the TDI is also crossing to go near the 30. So you guys can see here, when I play it back, this would have been your entry. Okay, after this, it's definitely going down. This would have been your entry depending on your settings. You could put in the settings that, hey, once it crosses under the 50 or the 40, then I might change my settings to the 40. Then you could take sells or whatever, but this is a very safe sell to take. And then the bot would have took it right here. Whatever your stop loss is going to be, it's going to have a trailing stop, and also partial profits will be taken throughout this whole trend. Partial profits will be taken. Okay, so right here, you would have just been taking profit, right? And it would have been entering more sales for you. As long as this thing is still below the 50 moving average, it's going to continue to only place sales. It will only change to buys once we are above the 50 moving average. Okay guys, so you guys can use this bot on higher time frames, lower time frames. Doesn't matter what time frame you use it on or what pair you use it on, as long as the rules apply and you only turn it on while there's a big trend going on. Right here we have some consolidation going on. No need. We get the breakout on the consolidation, the support and resistance, and that's when you want to go ahead and put on the bot. When you break out that support and resistance zone, then that's when you turn on the bot, and then that's when this bot is going to eat for you. Okay guys, as you guys can see, price retest right here, I would turn on this buy right here, and then boom, it's just gonna eat this thing up, okay, for as long as this trend is trending. Okay, also you can see that price is above this line, it's above the 75, so it would enter somewhere over here. This would be your entry, and it will eat, just taking partial profits throughout the whole way, trailing and stopping until it gets hit. At that point, you have to know that the trend is over, okay, especially once we get below the 50. If you want to take these sales, it will catch all this stuff for you, but just know that you are in consolidation. Okay, so you are at risk of fake outs and all types of stuff like that. Okay, we are in consolidation. All right, and then after that we get our trend. Okay, guys, so all you guys have to do is find a currency or indice or commodity or whatever you want to use. Find something that is trending. Literally find something that is trending like this, and you're perfect to go. So let me show you how you are going to abuse the markets with this trend trader. All right, as you guys can see, it takes a sell, sniper entry, and it already took profits. All right, it already took partial profits. It's already gone. All right, I use a dollar lot size. As soon as it hit 10 pips, boom, I took out 25-cent lots. I took out 25-cent lots at every 10 pips. All right, so you guys can see $56, $66, $76 already. And now it took another sell here, okay? So as long as it keeps selling, it will take a sell until things are reversed. Okay, so how this thing loses is if there is a trend and then boom, there's just a big candlestick that just goes crazy, then, you know, it happens. You know, sometimes that happens during trends. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what happens. Price is going back down, and it was just a retest this time. So we made more money. We got in at another dollar lot size, and we're securing more profits. So as you guys can see, not one loss yet, just using this on a trend. As you guys can see, the consolidation was right here. This was the consolidation zone, and it entered as soon as it broke out. As soon as it broke out, it entered. Okay, guys, so sniper entries, you want to have this when it is out of the consolidation zone. That's when you want to have this on. Okay, and it took another sell. It took another dollar sell because the trend is continuing. Okay, as long as the trend is continuing, it's going to continue to take those sells for you. Okay, and we close out some more profits. It cannot get past this zone right here. Okay, so it can't get past this zone right here, and it's literally just trading the trend for you and securing profits, guys. Securing that bag for you. Okay, and it does it again, another dollar lot size, because it continues to sell. So what I will be looking for is I'll be looking for to see if it can break this high right here, and it does that time. Okay, so we finally lose, but when we do lose, it takes a buy. Okay, because the trend has changed, so now it's taking a buy now. Okay, guys, so literally it's going to take a buy or sell at whatever the trend is at the time. Okay, so let's continue. And we secure profits. We secure profits, and it takes another buy. It's riding this trend now. So literally, like, man, I would put this on with the Skittles bot, and it would just be over with.
Yo, Crino, this one eat.
Okay, we take more profits. It takes another dollar lot size buy, and it goes our way. We secure more profits. We take out that dollar lot size, secure the bag. We're just securing the bag here. That's literally what we're doing, securing the bag with the partial take profits, catching the trend. We rode this whole trend, literally. If you look at it, we took profits this whole trend. This whole trend, we took profits, starting from here. And we took profits on that whole trend, that whole sell trend. Okay, guys, so this is the trend beast. Okay, we lose right there. It takes a sell now. We secure some profits. The trailing stop is there. We secure another bag, another sell, another sell, another sell. Let me chill. And now it takes a buy and we secure the bag. So you guys see how this works. Literally, you want to find a trending market and it's going to eat it alive. From here, it ate this whole thing up. And then once it lost, it took the buy on the other side on the way up. Can't make this up. You guys see it, man. All right, guys, so that's how this bot works. It's a trend trader, and in my settings, you guys can go ahead and adjust your stop loss. You can adjust, your RSI. You can adjust your trailing stop. You can adjust the TP. You could go ahead and adjust the partial profits point at what, I put mine for 10 pips. You guys can go ahead and put yours for 20, 25. Want to take partials, you'll make more money if you take partials later, but it's up to you guys. But you guys have all the tools to make money automated. Literally we have the trend trader, we got the Skittles bot, we got the breakout, we got everything you need at Rich Off Pips Academy. All right, guys, so just know, guys, these EAs I'm making, they're specialized in doing certain things. This one is specialized in trading the trend, so know when to have it on. Look at your charts. Like I always say, just because you have a bot doesn't mean you got to stop being a trader. Just mark up your chart, see what's going on, and take advantage using these EAs, guys. So as you guys can see, this bot can be very profitable for you guys if you use it the right way. A lot of people don't understand that when you're using robots, that you have to use them in certain market conditions. And if you use them in the right market conditions every single time, then they're going to be winning and printing you money every single day, guys. So take advantage of the trend trading EA if you want it. Link is in the description at richoffpips.net. I'm coming crazy with EAs all year. For all my traders out there, if you're getting started using EAs to trade, make sure that you like this video and you subscribe. Smash that subscribe button because I'm gonna be coding these bots all year for you guys. So stay tuned, keep your notifications on. I'm going crazy. Let's get it.